Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you two steps on how to view all the startup programs in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's start. First step is you need to search for settings. Once done, click on open to proceed. Okay? So once you're being redirected to the settings, go for the left side of it and it has this list of options. Now here's the thing. If you're using a Windows 10 computer, then you can see the startup menu here aligning these options. Okay? But if you're using otherwise, let's say you're using Windows 11, then go for apps next to personalization, click that, and it has this another options again. At the very least of that, you can see startup. Okay? Just click that to continue. Okay? The moment you click that, you will, those applications in your startup will appear. It has this list of programs or applications that you have. And in this time, you need to identify those applications that you no longer needed to disable it. Okay? Just identify those applications that you no longer needed in your computer. Okay? So how to disable that? Just for example, we'll be disabling this terminal. Just turn this off to disabled. And if you want to enable that again, then turn this on. Okay? Now, here's the important thing that you must remember that even if you disable an application, a particular application here in the startup, that doesn't mean that you can't use it. You can still use it, just double tap it or simply search it in the Windows search bar, the button search bar, and you can still run it and you can still use it. It's just that don't put a heavy load in the startups because this will slow down your computer. Okay? So the next step, just close this, is to go for the start icon and do a right click and go for task manager. Okay. So the moment you open your task manager, just expand it and go for startup apps here at the left side. You can see that. Okay. Here as well, you can see the list of startup apps present in your computer. You can also change the status again into disabled or enabled and leave the security health enabled because this will secure and protect your computer. Okay? Just identify those applications, those unfamiliar applications or spammy applications that you can see here in your startup. Okay? Just enable that disable that. How? For example, I'm going to disable this Microsoft to do, just do a right click and click on disable. Okay, and it marked here disabled, and if you want to enable it again, then click on right click and it will be enabled. Okay, so those are the two steps on how to view all startup programs in your Windows. If you think this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.